Tesla is now spreading in almost the whole world. Tesla is making electric vehicles for us from before the previous decade. Tesla's cars are called the future vehicles because these are automatic, eco-friendly and safest cars in the world. Almost everyone can drive those cars. Also, there are many more sophisticated facilities connected to the car. Today we will know about Tesla's Cybertruck. Although it was unveiled long ago, still many discussed topics. Let's begin. Cybertruck is angular-shaped, futuristic all-electric battery-powered pickup truck, one headlight and 6.5 feet base, roof with rollable panels for protecting the base. CE models have managed with EPA range estimated 0 to 60 amperes time of 2.9 to 6.5 seconds, depending on the model. That's definitely faster than most of the pickup trucks. Single motor RWD can go more than 250 miles and a double motor RWD can go 300 miles per ton. Let's say it can carry more than 7,500 pounds. Because of battery power, it's easy to maintenance and low cost for refueling. Refueling is not a problem now because there are many charging stations of Tesla and also you can charge at home. Tesla CEO Elon said in Twitter there will be an option to add solar power that generates 15 miles per day, possibly more. Cybertruck is cheaper than conventional gasoline pickup trucks. These are some special aspects of Tesla's Cybertruck. Let's know the key aspects. Many people love it, others hate. Some people say this is the coolest pickup truck they have ever seen. Others, it is the worst. The CEO Elon claimed their Cybertruck glass is more stronger from normal car glass. But during the unveiling of Cybertruck, window glass are smashed. This has made many people think. Elon said it was not supposed to be. Unfortunately, that happened. He later tweeted that he and Fastboat had thrown an iron ball at the glass, which passed the test and uploaded the video. Elon also said it was good to be. It has made our eye more alert. Have to improve something before production. The production process of the truck is little slower than other Tesla cars. Buyers may go to the end of 2021 to get it on hand. You know, everything has some of the other criticism. There is not an exception. I don't think it's too much. Tesla got over 250,000 pre-orders in just 7 days. But how is that possible? Can you tell me in the comment below?